Coronavirus vaccine status, from Moderna's successful stage 1 trials to China's new safe vaccine, everything you should know about COVID-19 vaccine status. COVID-19 infection cases are rising rapidly. In a span of 4 months, the novel coronavirus pandemic has infected close to 5 million people globally, with Southern America having been declared the newest epicenter of the viral infection. What is the status of coronavirus vaccine? There are over 110 prospective projects in works to find a workable cure for SARS-CoV-19, which spread from a wet market in Wuhan in December last year. Some have reached the clinical trial stage, others have shown a little less than favorable results. When will we have a vaccine ready for COVID-19? Leading researchers are still saying that it can be another 14 to 18 months before the world gets to access a vaccine. The same is the case with Indian vaccine, as experts say that it is still in the nascent stage, and it will take a while before we see conclusive development. Vaccines require a lot of crucial studies, phases of trials to test out potential side effects, to test its safety, feasibility and cost. We tell you the current status of all the vaccines which are the leading front runners right now. Moderna's RNA vaccine, which is amongst the top frontrunners in the race, is set to move into the second phase of the clinical trials in the month of July. The company, which makes use of a novel mRNA sequence, fights the infected proteins, and carries instructions to the body to deploy necessary antibodies to fight against the infection. Moderna Inc. has successfully finished stage 1 of the clinical trial, where it has reported promising positive results on at least 8 candidates who developed protective antibodies against coronavirus. Can we pin our hopes on Moderna's vaccine? Moderna's mRNA vaccine, mRNA-1273, has also shown promising results on immunity. While the development was expedited by the FDA, preliminary data suggest that the vaccine largely benefited the candidates who participated in Phase 1 of the clinical trials. Chinese CanSino Biologics Inc. vaccine, the strongest new contender in the global vaccine race, has been touted as the vaccine developed by CanSino Biologics Inc. from China. Studies conducted so far have claimed that the vaccine, which has surpassed the human testing phase, appeared to be safe. The report, which has been tabled, is based on a Lancet study which drew observations from an early trial conducted on humans in several laboratories, based on 108 participants aged between 18 to 60. The vaccine was made with a certain mutation of a virus named Ad5, which genetically modifies the protein structure once injected inside the cell. Once the body identifies the virus, is able to break down the molecule and stop it from further multiplying. The study also shows that the vaccine injection could possibly help the body's immunity and T-cell production as well. However, there is still a long way to go for this vaccine to receive green signals, since a lot of side effects during injection have been observed. China's CanSino vaccine is leading the race. CanSino vaccine, which is developed by a China-based company, also became the first of its kind to proceed to the stage 2 of the study and for its preliminary results to get peer-reviewed. In the testing done so far, participants who received a single dose of the vaccine produced certain immune cells, called T cells, within 2 weeks, while the antibodies needed for immunity peaked at 28 days. Thanks for watching. Please do like, share, and subscribe.